My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the online scam and fake security alerts related to the website Boculens.xyz. Boculens.xyz is a dangerous site. Right now it targets Google Chrome and other browsers, and it tries to make you pretty scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see pop-ups by Boculens.xyz, don't tolerate them. These pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive. Just leave this page. I recommend you to additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner, so you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and then start thoroughly examining the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and then eliminate all other types of threats which still could possibly stealthily remain on the system. So use Combo Cleaner to get your system fixed. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.